I think clients basically face what I would call an increasingly complex environment. Different parts of the world are at very different levels of sophistication when it comes to what they can do in terms of brand marketing, and that's because the environments are so different in terms of the levels of maturity. So you have markets where there is very high penetration of technology in media and lots of data which is available for them to target people and also assess what they're doing is working or not. And then there are other parts of the world where they have to work in what I would define as media dark areas, where a lot of the media is not even available to people, and forget data. I mean, even media is not available. So that's like very diverse set of challenges which global clients face. And I guess all of them are looking for some amount of one control in terms of knowing what's going on everywhere, the consistency of delivery from a big partner around the world, so that if there's a big idea which they're developing centrally, how do you translate it in each of, such diverse countries and just execute them with that consistency. So those are the big things which they would look for when it comes to centralization. And if I look at it from a mindshare perspective, traditionally that's always been our strength. To be able to work together, we were designed as a global agency network right from day one. So the ability to, let's say, pick up an idea in Poland or Turkey or in India or in China and take it around the world within our own network, working on that client, and to be able to translate it into another environment and get that done. Quite often clients are not that well connected. So when you talk about that sort of centrality, I think that's the benefit that they sometimes get working with an agency network like us.